Welcome to the latest edition of Hematology Updates, covering breakthroughs in the past 2 weeks, brought to you by Lucid Quest. Lilly reported BRUIN CLL-314, which randomized 662 BTKi-naïve CLL or SLL patients to Pirtobrutinib versus ibrutinib, with a data cutoff of 10 June 2025. Meeting non-inferiority on overall response rate in the intent-to-treat population, showing a numerically higher ORR for Pirtobrutinib and an immature progression-free survival trend favoring Pirtobrutinib. Disc Medicine's open-label Phase 2 rare-heme enrolled 47 patients with myelofibrosis and anemia who received Disc 097-450 mg subcutaneously every 4 weeks for up to 6 doses, yielding consistent hepcidin reductions, anemia responses across non-transfusion dependent and transfusion dependent cohorts, and transfusion independence in a subset. The FDA approved Breyanzi for adults with relapsed or refractory marginal zone lymphoma after at least 2 prior lines of therapy, based on the single-arm Transcend-FL-MZL cohort, with safety consistent with prior indications. In multiple myeloma, early DERGA-1 Phase 1b Phase 2 data for dual-target FasTCAR AZD0120 showed a 96% overall response rate across 2 dose levels, with a median follow-up of 3.9 months, deepening responses, and manufacturing timelines compatible with outpatient administration, alongside manageable cytokine release syndrome and limited neurotoxicity. Kura Oncology and Kyowa Kirin reported that Komzifti, Ziftomenib, combined with venetoclax and azacitidine in the KOMET-007 Phase 1a Phase 1b trial presented at ASH 2025, produced high composite complete response rates with measurable residual disease negativity in a subset of newly diagnosed chemo-ineligible NPM1-mutated AML, and encouraging overall response rates in relapsed or refractory NPM1-mutated and KMT2. Rearranged cohorts with tolerability aligned to venetoclax and azacitidine. Senti Bio received RMAT designation for the allogeneic CAR-NK therapy, Senti-202 in relapsed or refractory AML, supported by Phase 1 data in CD33 and/or FLT3 positive malignancies, showing early overall and complete response rates with durability at the recommended Phase 2 dose, enabling enhanced FDA interaction and expedited pathways. Bristol Myers Squibb announced FDA priority review for Opdivo plus AVD in previously untreated Stage 3-4 classical Hodgkin lymphoma for patients aged 12 and older, supported by the Phase 3 SWOG S1826 trial with a PDUFA target date of 8th of April 2026. In China, the NMPA approved Hemophilia, Fitusiran, for prophylaxis in Hemophilia A and B, and Caplacizumab, for acquired or immune-mediated thrombotic thrombocytopenic purpura, offering low-frequency subcutaneous dosing and a targeted option alongside plasma exchange and immunosuppression. Stay ahead in hematology research. Like, share, and subscribe for our updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting. See you next time.